Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I'm going to teach you what is force sensor and how to connect force sensor with our circuit. So open Google, go on Google, search for Tinkercad. In Tinkercad, open Tinkercad, log into your account. Just go in circuit option. After going to circuit option, here click on components and search for force sensor. After searching for force sensor, search breadboard. Now take battery. So basically, what is force sensor? Here you can see that force sensor don't have any terminal. That is, it don't have positive and negative. It don't have any polarity. So you can connect its both pin to positive supply. That is, at one side we will provide positive supply. At another side we will take output. That is, at output we can connect multimeter also. We can connect LED also. So now what is force sensor? Basically, as name says, force sensor is basically a sensor on which we can apply force and we can check output. Whenever we will apply force on force sensor, it will change its resistance. That is, resistance value will get changed and we will get certain output. That is, mechanical energy is getting converted into electrical energy. Okay, so let's see working. Just connect your force sensor on your breadboard. Just from one side, connect negative of battery to breadboard, that is supply negative power, and at one side supply positive power, that is positive of battery. And here from positive side, just connect one side of your force sensor, and here search for multimeter, as we will check output on multimeter. These are multimeter. Multimeter has two polarity, positive and negative. So just connect positive side to the another leg of my force sensor and negative side to negative. And let's start simulation. Here you can see, as we will start simulation, our voltage is 89.1 millivolt, but we applied 9 volt. So just click on force sensor. Here you can see the one scroller, one cursor type. If you will increase it, we can change value of force applied. So as we will increase it slowly, you can see its value getting changed from 89.1 to 8.9. It's getting slowly. It will reach in millivolt also, in 400 millivolt, and suddenly it will go to 9 volt. Okay, now we will stop it and we will connect LED. Now we can check our output on LED also. So just delete multimeter and search for LED. As we are using LED, as I said you, we have to always use resistor to limit the current. So we will also take resistor, just rotate it, connect one leg of the resistor to that another leg of the R force sensor, and connect positive leg of LED to another leg of resistor and connect negative leg of LED, that is cathode to negative, and just start simulation. Now you will see, as we will slowly increase the force on our sensor, our LED brightness will grow. That is, as we are applying force, our resistance getting changed, and according to that our uh, brightness of LED also getting changed. You can see here, as force is very low, my LED is almost low, almost off. As I am increasing my voltage slowly, LED brightness getting increased. Okay, so understand. So let's come on to that summary. Today I teach you what is force sensor. So basically, force sensor is one type of sensor that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. That is, we are applying force on it, and its resistor getting changed, and we are getting output according to that. Later we check how to connect force sensor and what is force sensor. Basically, force sensor has two legs. It don't have any polarity. That is, it don't have positive connection or negative connection. It so at one side we take battery, at one side we apply negative battery, at one side we apply positive battery, and on one leg of force sensor we apply positive supply, and at another leg we connect our resistor, and another side of resistor we connect positive leg of LED, and on the negative leg of LED, that is cathode, we supply negative voltage. And as we will start our simulation, we can see as we are increasing force value slowly, our LED brightness getting increased. And as we are decreasing force, our LED brightness getting decreased. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.